Okay, next one up is this Yamaha 530 TMAX. I have been putting this one off. This is for a local dealer. Unfortunately, it has been sitting outside for just over a year, so she is hanging. Oh my goodness, what a shame. Anyway, this is in for one of our legendary full Monty valets. Lots of rust cleaning to be done. Probably paint a lot of these bits and pieces because there's not really much else you can do with them. We're going to give it a proper clean, Snowfoam safe wash, all the usual bits and pieces. I will touch up a load of these and then we'll get some XCP corrosion protection on it, so it should neutralize any rust that's on there and prevent any further. What a shame. These are such a lovely scooter. Oh my goodness. I have got my work cut out for me with this one. Let's get cracking. I must say, I don't know what these dealers would do without me. There you go. Just under 3 hours. This Yamaha TMAX 530 has been trotted and looking so much better. By no means is this perfect. I have done what I can with it, but it's had a full trot Monty valet, touched up a load of rusty bits and pieces, gave it a good coating of the XCP corrosion protection, which will neutralize any rust and prevent any further. Obviously, a lot of these screws and bolts realistically need replacing, but they look loads better now. Like I said, I put a good heaping of XCP orange on all the heavily rusted bits and pieces. Put a bit of paint on the wheels. I just did a 2-stage machine polish on this bodywork and this windscreen just to remove any imperfections. Got a nice bit of gloss back to it. She really is a lovely scooter. It's had some new tires fitted recently. Like I said, it's just been sitting outside for a while, so I took the old spindle nut off there, gave it a good old sanding, polished. Yeah, so much better. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963.